Hello, good day, everyone. All right, welcome to June 20th Hamster Kombat Daily Combo. All right, without wasting our time, let's dive into it. All right, our first card for today is under specials, and that is Villa for development team. Development team. So let's just get that. All right, this is it. So if you're unable to get this particular card, just look at this section where I highlight. There will be something there, maybe an instruction. You have to unlock a particular card, or you have to get to a particular level before you can actually get this card. So take note of that if this is not active for you. So let's just get that for now. All right, the second card is under market. So let's go to the market section. All right, which is GameFi tokens. So you can see I have my GameFi tokens to level 15. So there might be a particular card that you need to unlock before you can have GameFi tokens unlocked. So if you don't have it unlocked, just look at this section, just look at what is written here and just take action. So we click on GameFi and click on that. All right, so that's the second card, and the last card is still under market section, which is P2P, peer-to-peer trading. So you can see this is active for me also. So I'll click on this and click on. So I have my 5 million coins. So I just click on take the prize, and that's all. So if you are just getting to know this channel, please subscribe, like my videos, and turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified every time I drop a new video. All right, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.